Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. Today, we gonna see how to make money by just with three apps. You can do nothing, guys. With just install this app on your phone and do nothing. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video contains three apps for doing nothing, and this is easy money. You can do nothing with this, and this is all legitimate way to make money, guys. It's directly sent to your PayPal account. Okay, guys, this is the first tab we're gonna see. First going to this video, I like to invite to my channel to subscribe and leave a like, comment, share with your friends, guys. Let's dive the video. The first website or a first app we're gonna see is called smartpanel.io, guys. That's a smart panel. Probably heard of. This is a smart panel app. This app is spying on your phone, guys. It's doing nothing, just spying on your phone. You may ask, is why you spying on? It's not like that, guys. Just is analyze your searching data or something good stuff, guys. Nothing like a personal information. Just your search results or searching data for improving the internet, guys. Just for only that. Then it's only for that's only, guys. Just it has a survey also. You can also do survey for extra money. This is smart panel. Thanks, guys. This company helps helps the other company to fix the bugs on the internet, to help others. This is our panelist, guys. Some of the major industries are here for this companies, guys. How does it work? Just to sign up, click the I'd like to sign up button and click sign up and install your app, guys. It's available both Android and iOS, guys. Don't matter which device you have, just install on your device and leave it over there, guys, and just enjoy. Keep doing whatever you doing daily, guys. Nothing about worry about this. You can doing whatever you can do daily, guys. This is data that app or taking from you, guys. Just device futures apps website and search results, something like that, guys. There is how you earn, guys. Surveys and giveaway. Take survey to earn cash and get automatically entered in a monthly giveaway just for keeping your device connected, guys. It's the main keeping your device connected. Stay connected on this website. And regular level qualifying panelists can earn $5, guys. Do you see $5 for every 30 days? It's lots of good money, guys. You can do nothing and you can earn $5 30 days, guys, and you can earn another or side income by just extra loyalty for month for your survey, guys. Just like that, you can do lots of things, but only two things are available: surveys and giveaway. Just install the app and wait it for money, guys, and get it the money and spend whatever you want, guys. That's a website, smartpanel.io. Go to the smartpanel.io, guys. This is the website. Click on download, sign up and enjoy your money, guys. The next app website or app we're gonna see is similar to that is called panel app, guys. This is also similar to this, but it has referral program and something stuff like that, guys. Its page looks simple. Just click here, sign it. This is welcome, guys, your new home for reward and sweepstakes, text survey endpoint and redeem price, guys. Is something like survey, guys. Just a simple costing, not a big like a survey, 15-minute survey, 20-minute survey. It's just a 15 seconds or 20 second survey. You can make lots of money with this, guys. Just install the app and take simple survey, stuff like that. How to make a tea, stuff like that, guys. Just you can install this app and get paid, guys. Let's click on the app store. How the Apple App Store and Google Play Store rating this, guys. This is the app store in apple.com, guys. 4.5 rating, guys. Almost 28.1k rating, guys. Lots of people download this app and make money, guys. Great app. Don't get reward referral also referral program you can make with the referral also, guys. Just go to the Google Play Store. It's also 4.5 review, guys. There is lots of review, and some people are doing nothing and get paid. This is our video motive, guys. Do nothing and get paid money. There is the lots of way to get paid, guys, but I filtered that to get you enough money to stuff like that. Pay your side hustle, and this is the legitimate make money app, guys, not stuff like scam or anything like that. Legitimate way to make money, guys. And the last and final but not least, guys, the website is called or app Microsoft Reward.com, guys. You probably heard of many people doing this Microsoft Reward, guys, and get paid $100 a year, guys. It's easy, guys. You can do search on the internet and get paid, guys. There is 4 ways to get paid, guys. First is search on mobile. Search on mobile for an additional 100 daily points with Bing search. Start earning by setting a Bing, guys. This is why people are earning Bing, guys. This is people are why using Bing for a Bing app, guys. And this is Bing app. Downloading Bing app to earn for your 100 daily mobile search, guys. Just download a Bing app on your Play Store or App Store. Get paid, guys. There is a Microsoft Edge app also for 100 mobile daily search point, and Microsoft Launcher for Android, guys. This is also Microsoft Launcher. There is 4 way to get paid, guys. Search on mobile, Bing app, Microsoft Edge app, and Android or iOS, anything like that. And Microsoft Launcher for Android only, not for iOS. Android only. 4 way to get paid. You can pay it minimum $5 to $10 per month, guys. Doing nothing, just search around the internet, doing whatever things you want and stuff like that, guys. There is lots of way. And so if you want to join, scan this and go to Microsoft Reward, guys. There is the video for you, guys, how to make money online with the app. Just doing nothing, just install the app on your phone and get paid. I hope this video helps you a lot, and this video helps to make money for your side hustle or side electrical bill or stuff like that, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, share with your friends, and comment below if you like this video or not. Stay tuned for more, guys. Sorry for this, I introed first one. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Make money online. Peace.